Hello everybody, this is my homework about unvoiced TH sound and voiced TH sound. First is the unvoiced TH sound. Okay, at the beginning of word, thanks, thick, thunder, Thursday, thing, in the middle of word. Anything, bath mat, toothpick, athletic, mouthwash. At the end of word, bath, north, beneath, forth, south. I think I thought a thought, but the thought I thought is not the thought that I thought. Okay. And the next is void th sound. At the beginning of word. The, that, they, them, there, this, though, these. In the middle of word. Clothing, leather, mother, another, weather, not them. At the end of word. Smooth, bath, breathe. And next is this is the best one. Okay, which computer should I get? Look at this one. I think this is the best one. Really? But that one over there looks nice too. Yes, but I think this one's better. This is the best one. Are you sure? Yes, this is the best one. Okay, I'll buy it.